Nikki Bella is on the verge of a massive meltdown as she nears her due date. The 36-year-old retired professional wrestler is approaching the end of her first pregnancy and has said the uncertainty surrounding the ongoing coronavirus pandemic has left her worried for the future as she feels like breaking mentally. Speaking to listeners during an episode of her The Bellas podcast, she said, "I'm not gonna lie, I literally almost had my first massive meltdown breakdown, whatever you want to call it, a few days ago." Nikki also recalled a conversation she had with her twin sister and podcast co-host Brie Bella, who is also pregnant and expecting her second child with husband Daniel Bryan, with whom she already has 2-year-old daughter Birdie, in which she said she was about to lose it. The Total Bellas star, who is expecting a son with her fiancé Artem Chigvintsev, added, "I was like, Brie, I'm literally about to lose it. I'm sick of being inside. I'm sick of not being a part of the world. I'm sick of being in the heat. And I can't even go on my walks, and I think that's what's made it worse. I mean, it sounds like such silly things that you can't do, but it is crazy. Like, mentally, I am breaking." Brie then tried to reassure her sister by telling her the end of pregnancy is always the toughest and said she went through something similar whilst waiting for Birdie to arrive. She explained, "I remember that with Birdie. And I feel like that is Mother Nature's way of being like, you want the baby out so bad you don't care about doing natural birth or feeling pain, you're like, just get the baby out." However, both twins are worried about what the future may hold in relation to the global health crisis. Nikki said, "The uncertainty is just killing me because we're maybe having expectations of a second wave of COVID-19 in the fall. I feel like we're getting hit with a second wave right now, and then I'm like, okay, so is that a third wave in the fall? Are we just constantly gonna have these waves?"